So I was on the internet the other day looking for the best tool that I can use to manage multiple social media accounts. Why was I doing this? Because I started working for this new agency and then I needed to manage their social media accounts and I needed to do it in a very reliable, clean and smooth way that is not going to cause me any glitches or any challenges or maybe probably get the accounts banned. So I needed this and I needed it fast. And then I came across this tool. It's called Multilogin. So this tool was very, very amazing. And you guys know now, whenever I find a very good tool or find something that is very helpful, I always bring it to you guys and I tell you guys how it works. So today I'm going to walk you guys through how this works perfectly. This is one of the best tool that I've actually seen. It's super, super amazing. So what is actually multi-login? So I want you to see multi-login as this. No, Multilogin is a professional two-in-one platform that combines real Android cloud phones and leading browser profiles in one clean dashboard. It allows social media managers like me, professionals, freelancers, and people who buy or manage or deciding to manage multiple social media accounts to actually juggle and switch between one social media account to another, either using the Android cloud device or using the web platform without any challenges. This is basically one of the best platforms I've seen. This platform gives you more than 150 access to more than 150 proxies. Very, very amazing. And one of the best features I like about this so much is the fact that they have 24 hours customer support. The moment you pay and then you start using this platform, you're entitled to 24 hours customer support. It's super amazing and it's just so amazing what this can actually do. So I know you're probably wondering, who is this for? Who is this tool for? This tool is literally for everybody who manages social media accounts online. Freelancers, people who buy accounts, students, basically anyone. If you know that you want to manage multiple social media accounts, then this tool is definitely for you. And with just less than $5, you can get access to this tool. If you want to get access to this tool, there's a link in the description below. Please click on that link and then sign up, and definitely you're going to get a discount if you're using my code. You guys know the drill now. Always find the best tool and find ways to reduce the price list that you're definitely going to pay to get this. So if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make it easy for you to see. So please subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification, and also like this video. And the reason why I tell you guys to like this video is the fact that when you like this video, it pushes the algorithm to notice that this video is very important and there are a lot of persons watching it and are liking it and engaging it. So it pushes it to other persons like you guys who also need services like this. So without wasting much time, I'm talking too much now, so without wasting much time, let us get down to business. When you log in your account, your multi-login account, this is what you're going to come across. All right, this is what you're going to see. So as you can see here, you have the mobile section. Like I said, if you want to use your mobile section, you want everything to be like it looks like it's coming from mobile, you can do it, or you can come to your browser section. Whichever one you feel comfortable with, it works. All right. So if you want to use mobile, you can also use the mobile. Then is either you make payments. Like I told you, if you use my link, you're definitely going to get a very, very good offer when signing up. So the next thing you need to do is I need to come here and click on this install multilingual. Right, when you click on it, it's going to install it. All right, but I've already installed it, so we have it right here. I've already installed it, so you can switch between this and this, like I told you guys earlier, between browser and mobile section. So let's just try the browser. So if you want to create this account, the first thing you need to do is that you need to come to this create right here. All right, just come to create, and then you get to name your profile name. You get to name your profile name. So for this, let us use Gerard space IG. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. All right, so under this folder here, if we're gonna name it default folder, or we're gonna say IG folder. So what we're naming it IG folder is for you to easily remember. You get when we want to use it. All right, so we can also have save templates that if you want to put it under, you can just put it under. All right, so let's just say Gerard space. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, so you can search tags here, but want to add, but that's really important. You can also add notes. I wouldn't work on that right now. And here you're gonna come down here, you rather restore, like you use the already existing template to work on that, or you can go custom, all right, to really bring out your own thing, the one you want. All right, so you're going to choose your operating system right here. All right, so for this I'm making use of the Windows operating system. All right, so and this is the browser I'll be making use of. All right, you can switch between these two browsers and then get the best one for yourself. All right, so and then like I told you, we'll be making use of cloud, not local. All right, so let's make use of cloud. You're going to leave this right here as it is. All right, so here the proxy, you can actually include your own external proxy. All right, but for the sake of this video, I already have a payment that I made with Multilogin, so I'm going to make use of Multilogin. All right, so we're going to come down here to location. It's going to be on random, so if you want, you can select whichever country you want. So let us go with United States of America. Next, you're going to choose a region. All right, that's like choosing the state. All right, so I'm going to come and choose whatever state that resonates with you here more. So let's use Virginia. All right, so I'm going to select a place in here. I'm going to select like a city. All right, so let's use this city. I'm using this city because I have a friend there. So let's make use of that. So I used to be optional. All right, so just let it be. So here we'll use the SOX 5. All right, so then you're going to scroll, leave every other thing untouched. All right, you're going to scroll down and then hit your create. So this is going to take a while. It's going to load and get there that your profile has been created. All right, so you can see right here our profile has been created. So to use this, what you need to do is just come here right here and click on start, and then we're going to wait for a few seconds, and then our profile is going to kickstart. All right, if you get this error message, you don't need to panic. All you have to do is just to come back here and click on it once again. So what's happening is that this is going to take some time to download your browser and every other thing that you need. You get, so our browser is ready. So let's use this Hua IP. So right here you can see everything. You can see my IP address right here. You can actually copy it. You can see the state that I choose. Remember, we choose Virginia and then United States. All right, so you can see the operating system that was given to you, Verizon Business. You can see the platform Windows. We're going to use Chrome, local time, American New York time. So everything is just super amazing. All right, so you can see all of them here. You can see latitude and longitude. It's just super packed and amazing on things that you can probably use this to do. You can see the browser, you can see the time, the hardware parameters, everything right here is on check. So let us you know what, let us go to instagram.com. So what we're going to do on Instagram is the fact that we're going to try to log in one of our accounts here right here and see and show you guys that this actually works perfectly, and you're going to see everything yourself. So as you can see, we have logged into our Instagram account right here. All right, if you come here and look at it, you can see clearly Gerard Space. This account has been logged in using this IP. This IP is like super strong. This process is like extremely strong. Like I said, like I always tell you guys, this is strictly for educational purposes only, so don't use it for any ill intent. All right, so you can also go back here. Please telling us to wait, but we'll do that later. All right, you can also go back here and create multiple profiles by which you can use to do whatever you want to do. Like you can see here, we have options that you can create up to 50 profiles. All right, so even though you have up to 50 accounts or social media accounts that you're working on, that you're holding, you can actually make use of this. But if you just change your mind and maybe probably don't want to use social media and want to, you know, maybe use other browsers and do this, you can also use this perfectly, this tool perfectly. It's one of the best out there that I've ever come across. All right, so and that's why I'm bringing it to you guys' attention, and to make sure you guys also get to make use of this. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned from it. I hope it was educative. I hope that was actually nice. So like I said, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also drop a comment in the comment section below. Like I said, the link is in the description. If you have any questions or there's anything they want to ask, please don't hesitate to go ahead and ask me, and I'll answer you to the best of my abilities. So see you guys in the next video.